In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Binance account and get $100 for free. The first step is to go to Binance.com or click on the link in the description below. Click on Get Started here, type in your email address, and click Next. Now, to confirm your email address, go to your inbox and look for an email from Binance. Click on Next, then Next again. To use your Binance account, you'll also need to verify your identity. You'll need a government-issued ID, such as a passport or an ID card. So to get started, choose your country and click Continue. Now you have two options. You can either complete video identification using the Binance app or continue here on your computer. I recommend using the Binance app because, according to Binance, it's faster and easier. Take your smartphone, scan the QR code, and download the Binance app. Once installed, open the app and log into your Binance account. After logging in, click on Verify Identity. Then select your country again and click Continue. Here, you need to enter your personal details. Make sure they match your ID documents. Next, you'll verify your personal details by clicking Continue. Then, select the issuing country of your ID document and choose the type of ID you want to use for verification. Now, take a clear picture of your ID document. Make sure it's easily readable. Next, you'll need to do a quick video verification or a selfie check to confirm that you are the person in the ID document. Click on Continue, then Start Call. Once the video verification is completed, you'll also need to verify your phone number. Simply enter your phone number and confirm it by entering the code you'll receive via text message. Once that's done, you've successfully completed the identity verification process. When Binance reviews your application, you'll receive an email confirming your identity verification. Now you'll have full access to all the features of Binance.